Hey guys, welcome back to another product video for this 10-foot trampoline. I already had this trampoline for over 3 years now, and this thing is still holding up very well. The trampoline itself, the springiness, still good, very strong. So as you can see, it comes with a safety net. It has your ladder right over here to get in and out. And these poles, they even have a foam cover to it, just in case if your little ones or yourself run into the foams. So let me show you. So let me give you a closer look of it so you can see how everything looks. I have this outside. It has all the legs, the ladder. It has a zipper to enclose once everything inside, and it even has these little clips to make sure that the little ones do not fall out once they're jumping. So on the inside it has these cushion barrier just to help to protect you from the actual springs itself right there. So the way to get inside, you just go like this, and then you're able to bounce inside. So this is great. Overall, this is a great 10-foot trampoline for anybody that has kids and they like to bounce. This is great for exercise also, and this holds up very well in the different elements. And installation takes about 1 hour to 2 hours to put it together, and the material is made very well, very durable.